sharing how we got our multiple entry Japan visa. We applied at Attic SM South Mall last February 8 via walk-in. At that time, they only accepted 60 applicants per day. We paid only 3,000 for both of us. After waiting for a month, we received our multiple entry visa. The process was super smooth and the staff were all very friendly. Today, you can still apply through accredited agencies. But now, we have JBAC, Japan Visa Application Center, as the official application hub. JBAC locations is at Parañaque, Makati, Quezon City, Cebu, and Davao. So how do you apply for a Japan visa via JBAC? Number 1, book an online appointment. Visit BFS Global's Japan visa site, active since March 19, 2025, and choose your preferred JBAC location. Number 2, prepare your documents, possibly A4 size, no staples. And this is the list. Number 3, go to JBAC on your appointment day. Take note, be early. Metro Manila centers is from 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. So agahan nyo guys. Pay the visa fee plus service fee. That's around 520 pesos, cash or card accepted. But preferably, I think magdala na rin kayo ng cash. Number 4, wait for processing. Processing takes about 8 to 10 working days. You'll get updates via SMS or email. And lastly, claim your visa. You can return to JBAC to claim it or choose courier delivery if you can come in person. So, hope this helps. Yun lang. Follow for more Japan travel tips.